3 intro.
रेडी?
हाँ.
ओए मैं बैग लाना तो भूल ही गई. नहीं स्टार्ट नहीं करना, मैं बैग लेके आती हूँ.
Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Aparna Shah, and for those who've been connected with me, thank you so much. So,
Okay. आ गया मेरा बैग, मैं तो बैग
okay,
ही भूल गई.
1.
I'll start. Wait, हाँ. Okay. Start करो.
हाँ.
Hey darling.
मत करो. मैंने कर दिया.
इंट्रो आपने दे दिया है?
शायद. अब नहीं करो, हम देखते वाले.
नहीं, इंट्रो के बिना ही स्टार्ट करेंगे अपन.
हाँ, आप करो ना. कितना अच्छा आएगा वीडियो. चलो.
Okay. So कहाँ से बोलूँ, क्या कर रहे हैं वो बताओ.
हाँ.
Okay. So we're going to be doing a challenge video today, which is basically a teenager versus a almost 38-year person working. So I hope you guys enjoy this. हम अपने bags में क्या carry करते हैं, we're going to show that. So now we'll start with you. What's in our bag?
Okay, so this is my bag and मेरी बैग की बेस्ट फ्रेंड है मेरी वाटर बॉटल. तो इसके अंदर है मेरे स्पेक्स जो मैंने इस वीडियो के लिए निकाले थे, मेरे हेडफोन्स जो मैं स्कूल के लिए यूज करती हूँ, और एयरपॉड्स.
हमारे टाइम पे कहाँ एयरपॉड्स होते थे इस एज में.
हेडफोन्स है.
हेडफोन्स भी नहीं थे हमारे टाइम पे.
Earphones
आपके कुछ भी नहीं था. Okay, so I'll show you guys 2-3 things that I have. Okay, so I always carry these 2 diaries. I can't do without them. The first one is an yearly diary, if you all can see. So this has like date-wise, I have everything written. All my, I'll make a more detailed video on this. I've been asked by a lot of people. This is my work diary. So if you see, I have names of everyone written here. So मेरी जिसके संग भी meeting होती है ना, I know my points of discussion. So say if I have my HR meeting, so I have my discussion with my HR and so on. So I basically don't forget. I can't remember so much in my head. So I have this. So this is like my work diary. Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah. And this is my social media diary that I maintain. So इसमें I put how many, what all we're going to be doing for Actors Podium, Shubhashray, YouTube. And along with that, I also, okay, this might sound a little stupid, but ever since we started YouTube, मैं हर रोज डेट डालती हूँ, number of followers increased and number of watch time increased, so that kind of peps me up that people are watching, so we should do it a little more. Okay, right, next is yours.
So I've got these 2 cologne roll-ons. So this one is Nilgiri. This helps me sleep, which I don't use so much. And this is lemongrass. I love these. And these are 20 rupees per piece. Field trip se liya maine.
And that's nice.
This is very nice. Okay, chalo.
Next, I have my boring charger. Shit यार, नायक के सामने मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा बहुत boring bag होने वाला है. So I always carry my charger. I cannot do without this because मैं पूरे दिन बाहर रहती हूँ at times. So yeah, next time.
Okay. So I have my makeup pouch now. I don't carry so much makeup, and it seems that my lip gloss is lost in my bag. So I've got a very cute unicorn lip gloss and this very cute brush. I don't have any eyeshadow, blush, but I just carry this in case I need to, just do that. I'm not great at makeup like her.
I am loving this, dude. Mine is so boring. Okay, now I have my wallet, obviously, and I carry this little brush with me because in case कहीं ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है. So yeah.
Wait on it? I'm doing it.
Happy.
Okay. So next thing in my bag, I have so many hair stuff. So मैं साथ में करूँ कि एक करूँ? क्योंकि बहुत सारा है stuff. ठीक है, चलो. So first I have my golden hat, which I wear a lot.
Which I'm going to borrow very soon. You'll see me with vlogging with this. I love this one. So basically, नायक के पास जितने accessories रहते हैं, half of them I want to use. She has such lovely ones. अभी
अपर्णा मासी के चैनल में मैं एक मेरा हेयर बैंड कलेक्शन का वीडियो बनाऊंगी.
Let us know in the comment box if you want her to make that or not. Okay.
Or let us know in the comment box if you don't want to watch Aparna Masi anymore.
Okay. Let me know if you want to see her more often. Okay. And next I have बहुत ही boring है यार ना यूँ मेरा bag. Okay, so I have my sanitizer and I have this
What is
coffee
this?
shot. तो मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ और मुझे बहुत जोर से अगर नींद आ रही होती है and I don't have an access to, I can't, आपको पता ही है मेरा love for चाय, उसमें वो बहुत ज़्यादा दूध डाल के दे देते हैं, तो एटलीस्ट मैं minimum I ask for is one गरम पानी का cup and I pour my coffee and survive on that throughout the day.
Can I ask you something? What if you don't have a restaurant nearby?
So that hot water तो कहीं भी मिल जाता है, कहीं भी water मिल जाता है. Hot water तो all the even in offices when we are visiting ना वो hot water ही देते हैं हमें instead of regular waters because of COVID. I carry any one sweet because मेरा ना बहुत जल्दी BP लो होने लगता है जब मुझे भूख लगती है, I stress out. So I just put in a little candy of sugar in my mouth so I survive till the time I'm stressing or I have not eaten.
आपकी फुल सर्वाइवल मोड ऑन बैग है. मैं तो कहीं पे भी लेके जाती हूँ, ये लेके उठा के लेके जाती हूँ. Okay, so the next thing I have is my stationer, as I like to call it, but it's stationery. So this is my lovely pouch which has all the hot pens. If you don't know the term hot pens, it is actually trending pens in school, which I like to call hot pens. सिर्फ क्लोज ट्रेंडिंग नहीं होते हैं.
हमारे टाइम पे रेनॉल्ड्स पेन होता था ब्लू और वाइट कलर का.
वाइट कलर का पेन होता है?
वाइट ऐसे ब्लू कलर का दिखता था, ऊपर वाइट और ब्लैक का वाइट एंड ब्लू कलर का होता था, वो मिल जाता था. हमें लगता था शिद्दत मिल गई है भाई, मतलब
मैं अभी भी रेनॉल्ड्स यूज करती हूँ,
मतलब पेन लिखना यू अलाउ हो गया है.
Okay, so next, because I love Marvel so much, my mom got me this from Shimmy Bog. Marvel diary, and this just has my name written on it with Disney and Marvel.
Super. What else?
Stationer, geometry box. इसमें स्केल पेंसिल बहुत लगता है. मेरे को बहुत पसंद है ये ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स, इतना कूल है.
पर्पल हमारा येलो कलर का कैमलिन आता था. आई एम श्योर मेरे सब एज ग्रुप के लोगों को याद है.
पक्का?
Orange
Okay. So next stationery is all my diaries, which I will show you in the next round after Aparna.
Okay. Finally. नहीं. Okay. I have my highlighter. जो मेरा जैसे काम finish होता है keep highlighting, so I know what all is left. And then I have obviously because I drive so much Bombay, Pune में भी पागलों जैसे जब जाते नहीं होते. So I like to carry my AirPods. और क्या? चाबियाँ.
मुझे चाबियां कैरी करना अलाउड ही नहीं है.
Okay, I think yeah, you go next now.
My turn. So next up are all my diaries, and I think that will clear up half of my bag. So this is my very beautiful logged diary. इसमें एक बहुत ही स्पेशल पासवर्ड है जो मैं किसी को भी नहीं बताती हूँ, except for my best friend. Even my mom doesn't know my password.
None of us know.
Yeah, only my best friend knows.
Even though I'm her favorite Masi, I still don't know.
I have not told my real mom that what is my
moms
password.
को तो वैसे ही कुछ नहीं बताते ना यूँ.
Actually, I have told her. So this is my OMG diary. If you don't know, Dog Diaries release a diary. You have to answer one question every day, every night. For 2 years you can do this, and then after 2 years you can go through this and it will be beautiful. So finally in 2022 I am going to finish this.
मम्मियाँ कम होती हैं आंसर करने के लिए कि एक क्वेश्चन और ले लिया.
ये बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. Next in the diaries I have my very cute and adorable, not so boring journal. Okay, so the Green Gang. This is also the Green Gang series. Need to fill up these forms if you want to be part of the Green Gang.
We have no such gang.
You can be part of the Green Gang. You can be part of the Green Gang. Green Gang forever.
Pink gang.
No, not that kind of nature wala Green Gang.
Okay. Should I show next? Oh, finally, थोड़ी exciting चीजें निकल रही हैं अब. Okay. So I have this roll-on perfume in case if I'm out for very long.
I'm sure that's
She doesn't.
okay, that was interesting. It's okay.
She's not even finding my interesting things interesting. Yaar, I don't like it.
The thing I told interesting was my joke was interesting, not the product.
Okay. Now I
You don't like kids, are you sure?
I love kids. Especially ये तो मेरी favorite niece है.
सब मामाओं की मैं favorite हूँ.
She's everybody's favorite. हाँ. ये this is my blush on. These are beaded but blush ons. They are very cute. I love them.
Sure.
See?
It's so हाँ.
And then this is my blush on brush. So next what do I have? If I am going for any meeting, मुझे दो चीज़ की बहुत जोर से ज़रूरत होती है if I am nervous about that meeting. One is my mascara. I can't do without my mascara and kajal. And second is my lenses. I always carry lenses in my bag because if I feel I am underdressed or if I'm feeling a little underconfident, sometimes when you're well dressed you feel a little more confident. कपड़े तो चेंज कर नहीं सकते बाहर सडन मीटिंग आ गई. So I just put on my kajal, mascara, lipstick and my favorite lenses and I go and kill the meeting. Yeah, so this is उसका how the क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Solution. कुछ नहीं मालूम होता है इन लोगों को.
हम पानी बोलते हैं lenses का पानी.
Lenses का पानी, नारियल पानी, lenses का पानी. Okay. So the next thing is my very important tab. मेरा WhatsApp, contacts, YouTube, games, very important. Okay. Next thing, obviously nowadays you need your mask. So we be twinning.
Yeah, twinning के साथ 3 वाला क्या बोलते हैं? आप मैं और Akushi also has the same one.
Tripleting? I don't know.
So this is one. I have the same one. And Aku also has the same.
I'm so interesting. My life is so colorful. I
I
realize
just
that
felt
today.
so boring in life ever since I've seen this bag of hers.
You're most welcome. This is a multicolored unicorn pen which is also there in my stationery, as I like to call it.
Stationery. हम बोलते थे stationery.
Stationery.
And my last is even more boring. A pen, a key to my car, and I don't know what this is. ये अभी रमन ने भेजा है मुझे. ये
This is a CV pen
हाँ,
drive.
वो,
आपको लैपटॉप और मोबाइल दोनों को करना.
हाँ right. She knows. I have no clue. अभी मैंने रखा है. नमन से जब मैं मिलूंगी तो वो मुझे बता देंगे क्या करना है इसके साथ. So yeah, that was pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Comment down the interesting colorful bag in the comment section. Please comment down.
I really want to know. Please put it in the comment box. किसका बैग ज़्यादा interesting था? और मेरा प्लीज अगर इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगा हो तो बोल देना यूजफुल था. मेरी इज्जत बचा लेना प्लीज.
बस एक काम करो, ऐसे लिखने की जगह कि आपका बैग कितना बोरिंग था लिखो ही मत.
नहीं
ऐसे
we want to know what they're thinking ना. इज्जत बचा लेंगे मेरी थोड़ी सी.
ठीक है.
So we love you guys and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.